Hello, today we are going to learn how to construct a regular pentagon given its diagonal D. Curiously, the ratio between the length of diagonal D and the length of the side of the pentagon L is exactly the golden proportion, also known as the golden number or the Greek symbol phi. So the first step is to draw a horizontal line at the bottom of the screen, and we will mark on the left side a point A, which will be the first vertex of the pentagon that we want to draw. So now, setting our compass to the length of the given line segment D, we are going to transport this onto the horizontal line from point A, getting a second point P, as can be seen here. So now we are going to draw a perpendicular vertical line from this point P. The next step is setting our compass on point P, and with a length PA, we are going to scribe an arc to the right until it cuts our previously drawn vertical line at a new point, which we will call Q. Next, we need to calculate the perpendicular bisector of the line segment PQ. To do this, with our compass set on the point P and a radius slightly greater than half the length PQ, we scribe an arc to the left and to the right, as shown here. And now with the same radius and the compass centered on point Q, we scribe another arc which intersects our previously drawn arc at 2 points. And now we will join these 2 points, and where it cuts the line segment PQ, this will be the midpoint M. So the next step, setting your compass on the midpoint M, and with a radius MP, we are going to draw a circle as shown here. Next is we're going to join the point A with M. Where the line segment cuts the circle, we will call point R. And the line segment AR is going to be the length of the side of the regular pentagon. So now, setting our compass to the length AR and centered on A, we are going to transport this length onto the horizontal line, getting a new vertex B. So now, with the same radius, we are going to elongate the same arc to the left as shown. And now, with the same radius centered on point B, we are going to scribe an arc to the right as shown here. The next step is to draw 2 larger arcs from the same points with a radius equal to the given side D, which is also equal to the length of the line segment AP. So setting the compass on point A, we scribe an arc to the left, cutting our previously drawn arc at a new vertex. And now, with the same radius and setting the compass on point B, we scribe another arc to the left, obtaining our last 2 vertices, which will temporarily highlight here in red. We will call the remaining 3 new vertices C, D, and E. So now that we have all the vertices, the final step is to join them using a thicker line. From A to B, seen here. Now from B to C, from C to D, from D to E, and finally we will complete the pentagon, our regular pentagon, joining vertex E to A. So here you have a regular pentagon given its diagonal D. I hope this video has helped you. Please press like or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until the next video, thank you.